Off the eastern coast of Africa, adrift in the vast Indian Ocean, lies a world unto itself. This is Madagascar, a land forged in isolation, a living laboratory of evolution. For over 88 million years, it has drifted apart from the great continents, carrying with it a precious cargo of life that embarked on a unique evolutionary journey. The result is a biological treasure trove, an island where the rules of nature were rewritten, giving rise to creatures so strange and wonderful, they seem to have leaped from the pages of a fantasy novel. More than 90% of its wildlife is found nowhere else on Earth. This is not just an island. It is a sanctuary of the unique, a testament to the sheer creativity of life itself. Perhaps the most iconic residents of this island are the lemurs. With their bright, inquisitive eyes and ghost-like calls that echo through the forests, they are the primates of Madagascar, from the ring-tailed lemur, sunbathing in the early morning light, to the tiny mouse lemur, one of the world's smallest primates, and the indri, whose haunting song is the very soul of the rainforest. These animals have diversified into over 100 different species, filling niches that in other parts of the world are occupied by monkeys and apes, but they are not alone in their uniqueness. Stalking through the shadows is the fossa, a sleek, cat-like predator that is the lemur's only significant natural enemy. A relative of the mongoose, its powerful form is a perfect example of convergent evolution, a hunter shaped by the specific demands of this isolated paradise. The spectacle of life here extends beyond mammals. Look closely at the branches and you might see a panther chameleon, a master of disguise, shifting its skin through a dazzling kaleidoscope of colors. It's not just for camouflage. These vibrant displays are a complex language of mood, health, and intention. The island's forests, from the spiny deserts of the south to the lush rainforests of the east, are home to an incredible array of reptiles, insects, and birds that have evolved in spectacular isolation. This incredible biodiversity is a direct result of the island's long separation from mainland Africa and India. Life arrived here by chance, on natural rafts or carried by storms, and once here, it was free to evolve without competition from the larger, more dominant species found elsewhere. It's a beautiful, fragile experiment in what's possible. For the Malagasy people, living alongside this extraordinary wildlife is a daily reality. Their culture is deeply intertwined with the natural world, a relationship built on respect and necessity. They are the guardians of this ancient land, their lives woven into the fabric of the forests and fields. Communities living on the fringes of national parks often depend on the health of the ecosystem for their survival. From the water they drink to the materials they use, they hold the key to a future where humans and wildlife can coexist. A delicate balance that is becoming increasingly difficult to maintain in our modern world. But this Eden is in peril. Deforestation for agriculture, illegal logging, and climate change are placing immense pressure on Madagascar's fragile ecosystems. The very isolation that created this unique biodiversity also makes it incredibly vulnerable. Many species are now critically endangered, their habitats shrinking at an alarming rate. In response, a network of national parks and protected areas, like Ranamafana and Andasibi Mantadia, have become crucial strongholds for conservation. These parks are not just refuges for animals, they are beacons of hope, centers for research, and vital sources of income for local communities through ecotourism. They represent a commitment to protecting this irreplaceable natural heritage for future generations. Madagascar is a poignant reminder of what we stand to lose. It is a microcosm of our planet's beauty and its fragility. Protecting this island is not just about saving lemurs or chameleons, it is about preserving a unique chapter in the story of life on Earth. It is a call to action for all of us to cherish and protect the world's most vulnerable ecosystems, to ensure that these enchanted islands of life continue to inspire wonder for centuries to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you were inspired, please subscribe to see more of our planet's incredible stories.